Hey everyone! As always, we've got a collection of the most practical and impressive gadgets currently available. Can you believe there's a watch with a QWERTY keyboard and a ring with a hidden gemstone? Fans of Marvel will definitely love the incredibly realistic Iron Man model we have. And we also have something special for all the fishermen out there. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. BBQCroc Barbecue Tool. Now let's talk about a multi-purpose barbecue tool that will make your grilling job much easier. It's perfect for flipping food on the grill, thanks to its two spatulas with serrated surfaces that provide a secure grip. You'll never drop a piece again, and it's quicker than using a regular spatula. It even has cleaning grooves that effectively remove food residue from the grill bars, eliminating the need for a brush. And if you ever find yourself without a bottle opener, this tool has got you covered. Its length ensures you won't burn yourself, and the non-slip ergonomic handles fit comfortably in your hand. To enhance it further, you can attach a clip-on flashlight, allowing you to illuminate your grill at night while keeping your other hand free. Portable Bicycle Speaker. This versatile speaker is the perfect addition to your bike, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music while you ride. You have the option to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth or use a cable, depending on your preference. Additionally, it has a micro SD card slot for those times when you prefer not to carry your phone. What's more, the speaker doubles as an adjustable phone holder, making it even more convenient. With a long-lasting rechargeable battery, you can enjoy up to 30 hours of playtime, and the speaker can also be used as a power bank. It's designed with waterproof and dust-proof materials, so you don't have to worry about it being affected by bad weather. Plus, it features powerful flashlights to illuminate your way if you ride at night. It's an excellent device to take along on your bike rides. WaterSong Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Now, let's talk about kitchen faucets. They may not sound exciting, but wait until you hear about the WaterSong faucet. The best thing about it is the smart motion detector that allows you to use it without touching. Simply wave your hands from a distance of about 2 inches. Another advantage is that it automatically turns off after 180 seconds of continuous use, so you don't have to worry about high water bills. But there are other cool features worth mentioning. One handy feature is that the faucet can rotate 360 degrees, and if that's not enough, you can easily pull out the sprayer. There are 4 spray modes: stream, spray, mist, and double blade, which efficiently removes food from dishes without splashing water everywhere. The package includes the faucet itself, mounting and installation hardware, and a manual. With its 17-inch height, the faucet is quite tall and convenient for filling large items. The nickel coating makes it resistant to scratches and corrosion, and the single handle design allows for easy one-handed use. Installation may take some time, but it's relatively straightforward if you have standard mounting points for your water supply. Pretty cool, right? GoPro Aer. Introducing a pair of wings for your GoPro that will enable you to capture incredible aerial videos. This device is incredibly easy to assemble and use. Simply start recording, attach your GoPro, slide the wings together, and screw them onto the head. Now you can throw it into the air and capture fantastic footage. It's also great for taking stunning selfies. The device doesn't require charging or calibration, as the wings are designed to provide a smooth and stable flight. Furthermore, The head offers protection for your camera, ensuring it remains undamaged. With compatibility for a wide range of GoPros, you can now create stunning videos without needing a drone. Iron Man figure. Iron Man is back, but in a smaller size. This 1/6 scale figure stands at approximately 12 inches tall and showcases incredible detail in both the armor and Tony Stark's face. Made from durable die-cast material, this model is built to last. It also features LED lights in the eyes, palms, and reactor area, adding to its overall appeal. The coolest part is that it comes with a variety of interchangeable armors, allowing you to mix and match or completely change the look of the figure. Among the options are the normal armor, a brutal damaged version, and one that transforms into a suit pod. Swapping the parts takes just a few minutes, making it feel like you have several models in one. Mophie UV Sanitizer with wireless charging. Now let's move on to something highly relevant given the current healthcare concerns. The Mophie UV Sanitizer is designed to clean your phone, keys, or earbuds and eliminate germs and bacteria. According to the manufacturer, it can remove up to 99% of harmful particles in just 5 minutes. Although we can't personally verify that claim. Nonetheless, it's impressive. A sound alert notifies you when the cleaning process is complete, and you can open the lid at any time if you urgently need your phone. The UV light automatically turns off when the lid is open and turns back on when closed. It's quite convenient, but the lid doesn't stay in place when open, which can be a bit challenging if your hands are busy. The Mophie Sanitizer is compact but requires some desk space since it's wired. It works well with phones of various sizes and brands and doesn't use heat or liquid, so it won't harm your device. Multifunctional radio for emergencies. This multifunctional portable device is a must-have for emergencies. Firstly, it functions as a radio, keeping you updated on important news even when you're out of power. Secondly, it can charge your phone with its powerful 2000 mAh battery, ensuring your phone lasts for hours. It even has an SOS signal feature for distress situations. If you need illumination, it has a 4 LED reading light and a bright flashlight. The device offers 4 different charging options, including a USB cable, regular batteries, solar power, and a hand crank. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.